Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in to this new video. I know it's been a minute, but hey, things happen and I'm back now. So we're gonna kick this video off with me priming my eyelids, and I'm using Plouise base number 2. Now that I got that all blended in, I'll be using a Plouise palette. I think it's called Center Palette. This is my first time using this, so I was excited. I don't know what kind of brush this is, but woo, child, don't give me the line. I use a lot of no-name cheap brushes. I use them for their purpose, not, because it's Sigma or, MAC or whatever. I can't afford them expensive ass brushes. So what you see me doing is called packing. I'm packing the color on until it gets to the intensity that I like. And after I pack it on, then I'll blend it out.
I count 6 shots, nigga.
I count 2 guns, nigga.
As you can see, I've switched brushes a few times. I always start out with a bigger fluffy brush and end up with a small tapered brush when I get to the crease color, and that just helps me, stack my color. Now I'm about to do my favorite part, cut the crease. I'm using that same rumor base that I was talking about before. I place a dot and look up so I can see how high I need to take my crease. And, take your time on this part, because I was going fast trying to hurry up and it didn't come out how I wanted it to. So take your time and be real precise with this part.
I count 6 shots, nigga.
I count 2 guns, nigga.
Now for the liner, I'm using a black gel liner from L'Oreal. And keep calm because I'm going to list all products used in the description box.
I count 6 shots, nigga.
I count 2 guns, nigga.
Let me pop these lashes on right quick off camera, but first I'm gonna put on a little bit of mascara. Lashes check. Now I'm about to go in the waterline with a pink Wet n Wild multi-stick pencil. What you see now is me going on my lower lid, and I'm using all the same colors that I used up top. Time for the face. And I'm using this primer by Becca. It's a mattifying primer. And I have to use mattifying primers because my skin is so oily.
I count 6 shots, nigga.
I count 2 guns, nigga.
This is a black Radiance foundation stick, and it's my first time using it. I liked it. It's in the shade Brownie. Wet n Wild foundation stick in the color Ebony for the contour. silly as hell. I was listening to a little trap music, you know. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm finna use this for the highlight.
Six shots, nigga.
I count 2 guns, nigga.
I'm using a setting spray by NYX to set my makeup. And I got my eyes covered because, of course, I don't want to get it in my eyes. Highlighter from Becca in the color Champagne Pop, I think, for that glow glow.
I count 2 guns, nigga.
And it's just a brown lip pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. Ooh, okay, girl. Don't hurt nobody. Okay, so we all done, boo-boo. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.